Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Charlie. That chopper jumping. My money gon' fuck. Like your hair out the shoulder. My money got long.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie, and today I'm coming at y'all with a vlog, man. My brother Reggie right now. We in the city. We in the city, man. We about to go spin a bag, man. Graduation shopping right now. Y'all know the fucking vibes. Y'all know we going first. Y'all know we going first, man. Let's stop. Let's stop. You heard? Nordstrom on West 57th. I know what's up. So, man, right now, I'm going here to look for some shoes. Probably a little outfit. We don't know yet. That's why I'm looking for some shoes. He's looking for a shirt. So, we're going to hit y'all when we find something. You feel me? I'm about to walk in right now. I don't know if they let us record in here. Gotta be careful. We're here right now, man. So they got the music on. Let me turn this off while I get copyrighted. Here, y'all know where we going. Straight to the second floor. We ain't playing no games, man. Feel me? Playing no games. Y'all know what's up. Gucci, Valentino, yeah, no cap. Feel me? Just looking around. I'm window shopping right now. I'm broke. I got you. Put that down. Let me get up out of here, man. This shit nice, man. A bunch of nice stuff over here, man. No cap.
This was just a little bit bigger, yo. Well, like width or like width-wise? Width-wise, right?
Which one, bro? Which ones you like, bro? I don't know, bro. I fuck with these, bro.
On the feet, right?
Yeah, I like these too, bro. I'm about to try those, bro.
I'm saying, I probably went to conferences once, my nigga.
I understand that.
You feel me? But I'm picturing me wearing them shit for graduation, and I know that shit gonna be tough with that button, bro.
And it's not like you're gonna wear them. I don't think you're gonna wear them. I don't think you're just gonna wear them one time, though. You feel me?
You know what kind of guy I am, though? Because I'm that hood nigga that just don't fuck around. I like to be basic, cuz.
He just exposed himself on YouTube.
Yeah, because I'm that hood nigga. I don't fuck around. That's why I don't know if I'm gonna get these conferences, bro.
I'm gonna tell you now, bro. It's not a bad look.
Yeah, it's a nice outfit. It's a very nice outfit for graduation. It's nice, but like I said, I like my shit to last.
See, I don't like how these look on my feet, though, bro. I don't like how they look on my feet, though, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know how these look on my feet. That's a decision, which is out of these and these. These just crazy, bro. Another decision. Reggie, you know him.
This shit bomb, man.
This shit crazy. We been this motherfucker for like an hour, man, bro, trying to figure out which ones we gonna get.
I get my decision.
I don't know what I'm spending my bag on right now. Man. Hey, man, right now I gotta make a decision, man. I don't know what I'm going with right now. That's what I'm saying. We gotta.
I told him to run this.
Reggie told me to run this, man. They told me to run this, man. This is what they got, man. This is what I was looking at right here. I'm looking at these right now, man. I'm trying to save some bread, so I don't know.
Fuck, nigga, we don't, bro. We spenders, big tippers. Stop playing.
He trying to have me out here broke, bro. He trying to have me out here broke. Hey, man, listen, most definitely shout out to my guy that's helping us out, Mike. Hey, if y'all come in Nordstrom's, which Nordstrom is this? This is Nordstrom's on what?
That's 57.
Nordstrom's men's 57. If y'all come in, come to Mike, man. He gonna get y'all right. Come to my boy right here. He getting me right now. No cap. Come to my guy. For real. Ah, this shit deep. Sometimes I'll be wearing these with no sock, too. So.
Oh, alright.
See, that's perfect, boy. See, I don't know now. My feet is still growing, though. You feel me? So, like,
How old are you?
17.
Oh.
You think I should go with the size up?
Okay. I ain't gonna stunt.
Man, I don't know.
And you can think about it like this too. This my style.
So I ended up getting the Gucci's. Only reason why I'm not gonna do the McQueen, I've been questionable about it.
I'm getting them shit. That's what we get the top.
It's cause too many people got them. I fuck with those. So I'm gonna rock out with the Gucci's, man. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the Gucci's today.
I'm gonna grab the Queens.
So you know the vibes, man. We came in here.
Yo, mom, dude's she going pounds on me. But she gotta understand
man.
her son is far.
Real.
Well, they got the white shoelaces too with him? That's what I might do.
Hey,
nah, yo,
see y'all, man.
It's free.
God damn, bro. It's his fault. It's your fault, bro.
We spenders. We don't save.
Yeah. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate it.
Mom sending your wipes as well.
Thank you. So, should I get these cleaned or not?
Like with those black ones that you got right there?
Yeah.
Like those are like a little bit dirty. Everything else probably, I don't even want to say that. That's definitely I'm saying you straight.
Hey, man.
This is me, really. I got the white
Really?
shit.
Bro, I'm about to go try to find the outfit now. Hey, man. So, brother is, feel me, he's giving me the scope, the 1-2, the rundown on these Gucci's I just picked up, man. So, listen, I guess I didn't make a bad decision.
No, you definitely did.
Because I can wear anything with them.
Yeah.
With the McQueen, I was limited.
Yeah.
So, hey, man. Outfit time, I guess, right?
Yeah, outfit time.
So what would I wear with that, though? What can I wear? I want to be comfortable. I don't want to be,
I mean, you can still do the black crop pants.
Black crop pants.
Yeah, and then you could either go, because the Gucci, is it white or is it cream?
I'm not sure. Honestly, is it over there? Oh yeah, okay.
It's more cream.
It's more cream.
Yeah, it's more cream.
So I could do like a what?
Black pants with like a cream button up.
Cream button up.
Yeah. Or you can go black on black if you want to.
Okay.
Black and red.
It don't matter, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We got so many options. It's crazy.
Man, damn, bro. Thank you for your help, though, my brother. Hey, look. If y'all come in Nordstrom, just come to West 57th, right?
Yep, West 57th.
West 57th, Christian Louboutin Boutique. I'm sure my man some love. He'll take care of you.
Show me some love.
No cap. He got you. Hey, man. I know the vibes, man. Feel me? Reggie got me out here spending all my money. Hey, man. We up here. Huh? We in there. This nigga tried
With the shirt on. Oh yeah, so this is
Trying to
perfect.
whip the shirt on.
Yo, man, with shirt on, I look hockey in this song, man.
You gotta comb with this, got some, you know.
Oh yeah,
That's perfect.
We gonna throw that on. We gonna
perfect.
throw that shit on. You hear me?
It's perfect. Hey, man. Y'all know where we at, man. No, don't forget. We only 17 doing this, man. 17, man. Don't forget it, man. Yeah. What's your name, man?
I thought I saw you before.
Yeah, you know I was here before. I copped that. The other one. Not the polo, though. It was one with the camo heart. The big camo
Oh yeah,
heart.
you got that one.
And a
Shirt.
Kappa sweater.
Yeah.
That was sold out already.
Hey, man.
So you trying to go get a cut right now?
We can. We can get a cut now. Hey, man.
Successful.
Hey, today's a successful day, man. I was thinking about getting the Margielas, man. But I was like, nah, you know what?
We did our thing
You know what,
today.
man?
Watch the fit. Yo, these.
Watch the fit for graduation, man. No cap. What's that? What is this?
Montclair.
Montclair? Hey, man. YouTube, bro. I just dropped a big bag, bro. Big bag. Big spenders. No cap. No cap, man. This is crazy, bro. I wasn't even trying to spend that much money today in the city. But, bro, this dude rich. He got more money than me. Look at him. He got 2 bags.
We did our thing, you're.
2 bags.
We finesse too. Don't think we just
No cap.
Definitely.
Wait, we walked down this way? Or which way we came up? This way?
I mean, this way, but this with a car ass up.
Yeah. So, I think I got crop pants in my house. The black ones I wore to prom.
Yeah.
So I could re-wear those again.
Word, why not?
And just.
How much you pay for those? Nigga? You better with those again? Those was a
Shit.
bag. I remember when we went that day.
Yeah.
Yo, we should have made that. That was a bag.
Yo. Hey man. So we about to head back home right now. But I got those pants in the crib. So I guess now I gotta get a shirt. Should I get a shirt while we here?
Yo.
I could go to Top Man downstairs, right?
Yeah, bro.
I wouldn't mind spending.
Top man real fast.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. So we ain't done shopping, man. You know, we not done yet. We got a little bit more shopping to do. You feel me? This right here has been a lit vlog. Yo.
Show me these real fast. Hey, these up next.
Nah, these up next
Hey, yo,
though.
I think we fucking with the Converse. You're
No bat.
up next.
No bat. You hear me? So, hey, man. You feel me? We about to go look at the clothes right now. Hey, my dude, you know a little bit about the clothes over here, too?
Yeah.
Got my dude Mike helping me again.
Oh yeah, we in here.
No cap. Feel me? About to try to find me a shirt, you know, nice little shirt. I was thinking maybe like a short sleeve, button up, like I don't know. I was looking for a top, man. Something simple, nothing too crazy. Feel me?
Some shorts, man. I like the way these shorts fit me, so I might get these shorts too. With the shoe. I'm not gonna wear no sock. I'm gonna wear a no show with these. So yeah, fire.
You can see, man. We just now leaving this store.
We've been here since about 10:30.
Since about 10:30. Hey, man, successful shopping day. Right now, we about to head back home, man. Hey, man, listen.
You park crazy. Yo, somebody just parked in
Yo, this is how I come to New York and park, you feel me? This is what I do. No tickets. Hold on, you can't see the tent. All off the curb. No tickets, none of that, nigga. I'm good wherever I go. Fuck is you talking about? Shout out to Lamar Boom, man. No cap. Shout out to L Boom, man. Hold on, I'm gonna put y'all down real quick, too. Damn, Cuddy. Oh, we gotta make a thumbnail real quick. We gotta let them know we shopping spree. Oh. Damn. Hey, man, we lit. So, I'm gonna put y'all down real quick, too. Hold on, give me a second. So, hey, YouTube, listen, man. My camera died, as you can see, it's in the back seat. Oh, the bag's right there. So, look, as you can see, man, we spent a big bag in here today, man. Reggie copped that Commons and Garçons with the Alexander McQueen. With the fuck, I don't know. This nigga dropped more in the bag than I did. You feel me? Hey, listen, I copped the Gucci's. I copped the nice little shorts to go with it. You feel me? So, hey, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, you feel me? I'm gonna get some light on my face. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. If y'all want to see more videos like this, just let me know, man. Leave it in the comment section.
Y'all want to see me go broke? Like this, subscribe, all that. Send it to your friends, all that.
Hey, man, we out here, man. It's your boy, Lil Jeezy. Deuces.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Charlie. That chopper jumping. My money gon' fuck. Like your hair out the shoulder. My money got long.